So good morning friends, welcome to my channel Advert Wings, and today we are back again with the 10 most important current affair of 24th of July 2020. So let's start with the first question, and our first question is about the first edition of Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity awarded by Kalaust Gulbenkian Foundation. So, Kalaust Gulbenkian Foundation had released their first edition of Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity, and who is selected as the first person, as the first recipient of this award. And it is given in the field of humanity, human services. Your option A is Malala Yousafzai, option B is Greta Thunberg, option C is Freya Thakral, or option D is Ramesh Bodhu. Next question is, who has been appointed as MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance? So, who has been appointed as MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance? Option A is Amartya Joshi, option B is Prakash Chandra Kandapal, option C is Pratik Mittal, or option D is none of the above. Next question is about the Pravasi Rozgar app, and this app, and I think first time in the Indian history that some single individual had developed a app for the welfare of this migrant labor. So your question is, who has launched this Pravasi Rozgar app for providing employment to the migrant labor? Option A is Akshay Kumar, option B is Anupam Kher, option C is Sonu Sood, or option D is none of the above. Next question is, which country has successfully tested ATGM Dhruva Shastra? ATGM means anti-tank guided missile, name Dhruva Shastra. So who has successfully tested this anti-tank guided missile Dhruva Shastra? Option A is Sri Lanka, B is India, C Bangladesh, D none of the above. Next question is, recently 1500 school of which state have decided to discontinue online education because of issues of having disease symptoms in the students, in the child especially, who are learning through online education, because online education affects their eyesight, and keeping this in view, that the state government had decided to ban this online education, and as in the reaction of which 1500 school of that state had decided to discontinue the online education. So which was that state? Option A is Kerala, B Karnataka, C Gujarat, D none of the above. Next question is, which state cabinet approve one stop shop scheme? So one stop shop scheme is a scheme which is designed to attract the investment in the states through the fast track clearances related to the tariffs, related to other barrier. So which state has launched this one stop shop scheme? And do remember that this one stop shop scheme is related to attract investment in that state. So your option A is Odisha, B Rajasthan, C Haryana, D Gujarat. Next question is about NS's second is the first military communication satellite of which companies, which country? So NS's first is, first of all, the first military communication satellite of a country, and which country has launched this satellite? NS's second. Your option A is Russia, B Brazil, C South Korea, or D North Korea. So recently, I think uh, one day before or 2 day before, we had discussed this question that Anasis second, although is a satellite of another country, but it had been launched by some other country. So we do had discuss about that, and I think those who had heard that question, those who had watched that question, they must know the answer of this question. Next question is, name the Android malware which steal data such as password and credit card details that was discovered by a mobile security firm Threat Fabric recently. So Threat Fabric is a mobile security firm, and it has recently discovered that Android malware program is in operation which steals the data such as password and credit card detail in order to hack that system um, and generally damage that system. So what's the name of that malware system? Option A is BlackRock, B Steve Rock, C Black Ram, or D My Doom. Next question is, who has been appointed as chairman of NMDC, that is National Mineral Development Corporation? Option A is Sumit Deb, B is N. Baijendra Kumar, C is Sham Srinivasan, or D is SS Mallikarjun Rao. Next question is, which country has launched its first independent mission, that is Taniwan 1? So this country has launched its first independent mission, that is Taniwan 1. Independent in the sense that it has been designed entirely by the domestic firms of that country, and this Taniwan 1 means question to heaven. So it is related to exploring the realities of heaven, and this Tianwen 1 is the first independent mission of which country? Option A is Russia, B China, C Japan, D Israel. So that's all about from today's session, and hope you enjoyed that video. Do watch my video and keep supporting me. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice